Is your Ring camera asking for subscription or not saving recordings? Let's clear the confusion in 2 minutes.
Don't want monthly fees? Check these no subscription security cameras best alternatives. Buy link is in description.
This is not a bug, it's how the system is designed. Ring's free version only supports live view and motion alerts. First, check if your Ring Protect plan is active. Without it, recordings will not be saved in the cloud. Next, verify your payment method. Expired card or failed billing can stop cloud recording instantly. Even without subscription, you still get live view and motion alerts, fully functional for basic security. So remember, this is not a system error, it's a policy design. If this helped, like and subscribe for more security camera fixes. If this helped fix your Ring camera issue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real security camera solutions. Drop your question in the comments. I reply to everyone.